In this tutorial we will show you how you can create beautiful short video clips from your flights in Microsoft Flight Simulator. We will show you the technique we use for capturing our own videos. We use a little program called Flight Recorder, which you can download for free at flightsim.to. Flight Recorder enables you to make clips in which you have a variety of viewpoints. Using this program you can create videos that go way beyond the videos based on just the inbuilt default viewpoints in Microsoft Flight Simulator. In this tutorial we will make a short flight from Geneva Cointrin Airport to Milan Linate using a beautiful Qantas Airbus 320. We will show you step by step how to capture footage for your own flight videos. We are ready to go at runway 4 in Geneva. Let's open Flight Recorder and press Record. Flight Recorder will start making a log file with the position and state of the aircraft. On a later moment you can stop recording and replay your flight. Keep in mind that Flight Recorder does not make a video capture. The video file is created with the screen capture function of the graphic card in your PC. Let's take off and climb out of Geneva Airport. Now we tell Flight Recorder to stop recording and pause Flight Simulator. Next we choose replay. The aircraft will immediately return to the position we started our flight recording. We choose pause replay. The aircraft freezes and with the slider we can quickly go forward and backward inside our flight. We can do this in the cockpit view, but we can switch to the outside views as well. Resuming replay, we can review our takeoff roll from any other viewpoint. This can be the external view or the drone view. Let's pause replay and go to the drone view. We disable the drone follow mode and set the drone speed as desired. We choose an interesting viewpoint above the runway. We start capturing our screen with the video card software. For AMD, the default command to do this is Ctrl+Shift function 11. Now we press Resume Replay and click in the screen, so the user interface of Flight Recorder disappears. The result is a nice flyby, which is recorded by our video card software. Later we can edit this clip in any video editing software. Let's visit the airport tower for another original viewpoint. We choose our place in the tower and manipulate the slider from Flight Recorder until we are happy. We start our screen recording, press Resume Replay in Flight Recorder and click somewhere in the screen to make the user interface invisible. We will create nice footage from our plane's takeoff, as seen from the airport tower. Now we will show you an example how the edited footage so far looks in a short video clip. You can use any video editing software you like. In the short clip you see more viewpoints than the default ones. Of course, you can use this technique for other flight phases as well. We record our climb out using Flight Recorder. Pause the simulator and choose an interesting viewpoint. We position the aircraft using the slider, start our screen capturing and resume the replay in Flight Recorder. We show you a few examples. The approach and landing are very nice to capture from a variety of angles. Make sure Flight Recorder is recording, fly the approach and land the aircraft as usual. Stop the recording and choose replay. You can look at your approach and landing from a lot of viewpoints now. Select the ones that you want to give a place in your flight video and record them using your screen capturing software. We show you some examples of the viewpoints we use for our channel flight videos. You can position the camera in the grass near the runway or on the runway center line using Flight Simulator's drone function. Of course, you can also watch your aircraft taxiing in or even take the viewpoint of a ground marshal. Finally, we take a look at the edited and finished clip of our flight. All footage was shot with the default views in Flight Simulator or with the techniques using Flight Recorder as described in this tutorial. We edited this video in Cyberlink Power Director. The result is a clip from just 80 seconds with the highlights of our flight from Geneva to Milan.
Hundred above. 200.
We thank you for watching and we hope you liked this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and watch our other flight sim videos.